Hello. Hi, Jonah. Where's your hand? Where's your other hand? There it is. There it is. There's your hand. Hi. Look at the Buddha belly. Did you enjoy lunch? Was it yummy? Did you have enough to drink? Let me see. I think you're done, yeah. Let's do the arm check. Let's do the arm check. You ready? Boop. Yeah, you're good. Boop. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Can you give mommy a smile? Can you smiles? Yeah? Oh, you're talking to mama. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh, mommy's tired. How about you? Hi. Ooh. Yes. What else did we do today? Yes. That's right. That's right. Exactly. Yes. Can you tell me a story? Can you tell mommy a story? Oh, that sounds... Really? What else happened? Really? Uh-huh. And what else? What else happened? Oh. Is that what happened? Really? Well, thank you for telling me that story. Yeah. You're such a good storyteller, Jonah. Oh. Oh, you're getting too hot? Here, let's take the blanket off. There we go. Can you tell me another story? Or should mommy read you a book? Mommy can read you a book. Okay, I'm gonna go get a book, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.